Hello, my friends. This is Jenza of Jenza's Garden, and we are going to be talking about new moon rituals. This is part 2 of the 4-part series I am doing. Part 1 I put out last month. It was the new moon ritual of ritual bathing. Today we are going to be working on part 2, which is clean house. So having a new moon ritual just kind of marks you going into the new moon and things that we can do to level up that new moon energy. New moons, full moons, they're happening, be it we are paying attention or not paying attention to them. But when we do pay attention, when we add a little bit of something more, that just adds to the energy and it helps us with our intentions. So new moon intentions are all about beginnings. So we talked about ritual baths, setting that new beginning. And the other thing we can do is clean house. And if you know me, I am not going to tell you to clean your house top to bottom. That is way too much sometimes. But if there's 12 new moons, 13 new moons in a year, maybe we can break our house down into 13 parts. So, I mean, if you're going big each new moon, you're cleaning it top to bottom, go for it if you have that time. I'm not going to say no to that. But if you're really thinking about it as a whole of the year, I would divide the house into 13 parts. If you have that time for being able to put cleaning into 1/13. I'm not talking about the everyday stuff. I'm talking maybe it's I'm taking a year to declutter, and I'm going to do that within 13 new moons. I need to clean the baseboards in every room, and I'm going to do that within 13 rooms. However you want to break that up. But sometimes all of a sudden we're like, oh, it's the new moon, and now what do I do? Because I am not cleaning my whole house. I don't even have time. Maybe you clean a room, maybe you clean a closet. So break it down to something smaller. So big, clean the house. Little, still in my mind, big is choose a room. Unless it's a small room. Sometimes the bathroom is doable, right? Clean an area. That could be thank you for the love. I'm feeling the love. Okay. So that could be cleaning a single area. Maybe it's just a bureau top. Maybe it's your altar. Maybe if you are hiding your bathroom to do your new moon ritual of the bathing and you're actually taking a bath or a shower. Maybe it's just cleaning your countertop in the bathroom. So it can be small, but it's something you're doing with intention because it is the new moon. So again, big, it could be the whole house, but you can take a whole year of that and make it into 13. It could be a room. Maybe there is this one room in your house that really needs some love, but it's going to take you a year, and you can break that down into the 13 moons. There's saging. Saging is cleaning of the air, cleaning of the energy, and that could be the whole house again. That could be just a room or just simply the area, saging in the space that you're going to be doing your work in. There's sweeping. I'm surprised I didn't bring a broom over here. Sweeping. It could be you're really sweeping from room to room. I like to start in the furthest away and work my way to the door if I'm doing a whole house of sweeping. But it could just be sweeping around the area I'm working on, and it doesn't have to be a big broom. It could be just like, I can't sage because I'm just gonna get my nose on like that, but I'm clearing the air around me. I'm just sweeping. Like we're doing some cobwebs. Who knows? So sweeping can be a part of this cleaning. Make it work for you. Don't have some big idea in your head. Think about it before it happens, and then have a couple plays and have a plan. Have a plan that, like, if I have time on the new moon, I am going to do this. If I don't have time, that's okay. I know I can fit this in. And if I'm a pinch, this is the minimum. This is the bare minimum that I'm going to do, but that I did with intention. So again, cleaning your area. So clean house. Maybe you're cleaning house too. So new moon rituals, that was part 2 of the series. Stay tuned for part 3 and part 4. I'm just doing it once a month.